Good morning, everyone. So, today we are starting with the topic of functions of human resource management. Human resource management is divided into two segments, which is the managerial function, and the second one is the operational functions. Managerial function constitute with the five areas, which is planning, organizing, directing, coordinating and controlling. सिंस ये जो 5 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स हैं ये हम +2 से डिस्कस करते आ रहे हैं, बट व्हाट इज इट्स implications in entrepreneur, this we are going to discuss today. So managerial functions are basically those functions through which we can assess the HR manager's capacity. It means through this we can identify कि हमारे जो HR managers हैं, what are their core responsibilities, what are their you can say that the factors that they will be responsible for, like the leadership quality, coordination aspects, and moreover the controlling areas. All these constituents will be discussed under the managerial functions. So, continuing with the managerial function, the first one is the planning. Planning, like we all know, it is deciding in advance. Deciding means before getting an idea, before innovation, we would be thinking what will be the process before doing. So it is planning is thinking in advance what will be the future prospects. So these are the areas to which an entrepreneur will look into. The entrepreneur focus towards the future strategies. ठीक है, प्लानिंग की हेल्प से एक एंटरप्रेन्योर एडवांस में प्रिपेयर कर सकता है कि फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स क्या है, फ्यूचर गोल्स क्या है एंड फ्यूचर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या है, so that they can make arrangements, human resource requirements can be maintained, recruitment can be done, selection can be conducted, as well as training process can be implemented. So through planning, an entrepreneur not only decide in advance but also plan the future strategies, so that through planning only they can make necessary requirements related to human resource, recruitment can be conducted, selection process can be implemented, as well as training can be implemented in the organization. The next one is the organizing. Through organizing, it is the process of people who are working together and how they coordinate with each other to accomplish a goal. So, it would be one of the factors which is considered under the organizing. Through organizing, we can easily evaluate the course of action. हमारा जो प्लानिंग का जो प्रोसेस है उसका जो कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन है, हाउ इट इज पर्टिकुलरली कंडक्टेड एंड व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप अमंग द एम्प्लॉयज. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग से हम वी वुड बी गेटिंग टू फैक्टर्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज we would be getting what is the planning. Through planning the course of action is followed, and through organizing we can easily analyze the relationship among the employees, how collectively they work to achieve the organizational goals. Next is directing. Directing is an entrepreneur must have a leadership quality so that they would be providing a proper direction to their subordinates, as well as there should be an efficient cooperation of the employees, so that there shall be a discipline level must be maintained, there shall be grievances can be resolved, employees are clear, employees respond in a decision making must be in a quick manner, and there shall be a satisfaction at the employees end. So direction is one of the factor which help us in motivation, communication network, integrating, as well as making employees satisfactory, quickly in decision making, as well as the resolved decisions grievances can be resolved. So the next aspect is the coordination. जैसे हमने ऑर्गेनाइजिंग में डिस्कस किया था, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग में वी हैव डिस्कस टू फैक्टर्स, द कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन and the second one is the relationship among the employees. The next similar is with the coordination. But coordination जो हमने organizing का किया था वो relationship we have to analyze, but under coordination there shall be an equal coordination between the departmental. ठीक है, हर एक डिपार्टमेंट में इक्वल कोऑर्डिनेशन होनी चाहिए, नॉट ओनली बिटवीन द डिपार्टमेंट्स बट विद द members also, so that the managers can take the decision quickly and there shall be improvement while taking decision. So it is very essential at the level of an entrepreneur that a coordination between every level of department is necessary.